Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin immediately. Ensure the iPad has power and an active Wi-Fi connection so verification can occur. Once connected, go to Settings and tap your name at the top. This is where Apple ID controls live. If you know the Apple ID password, enter it when requested to disable activation lock. If not, have the device passcode handy for local sign-out. Doing this now prevents delays later, and it confirms whether Find My iPad and Activation Lock are active before you continue. Next, tap Sign Out at the bottom of the Apple ID page. You'll be asked whether to keep a copy of iCloud data on the device. Choose based on whether you'll reuse the iPad. Then enter the Apple ID password to disable Find My iPad. This removes Activation Lock and allows full account removal. Once authenticated, the device will process iCloud and account tokens. Make sure to stay on the Wi-Fi network and wait for the confirmation that the account has been removed before proceeding to reset. To finish, if you're giving away the iPad, go to Settings General Transfer or Reset iPad, erase all content and settings to fully clear personal data. Make sure you already signed out. If you can't enter the Apple ID password, contact Apple support with purchase proof to request activation lock removal. This is the only official route. Once done, restart the iPad and open Settings to verify there's no Apple ID listed. This confirms the process succeeded and the device is ready.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.